Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. I have recently got a DJI gimbal and I wanted to connect it to my phone. However, I see that it is not a straightforward process to get it connected to the mobile. So in this video, I wanted to show how I have got my gimbal connected to the phone and give clear instructions to go about it. Needed to connect to gimbal is DJI Mimo. As per their documentation, this Mimo app is not available on Play Store for Android, and you need to download an APK from their website and then install it. I'm trying these steps on Samsung phone and let's see what happens. But as you see here, Samsung doesn't allow downloading and installing APK app and it was blocked. However, on Samsung, you need to install it from the Galaxy Store. They have a stock app on the Galaxy Store, and DJI Mimo is available, and you can download it. So even on Android phones, it works differently on different models. Once you install the app and open it, it asks to accept some privacy policies and which you need to accept. And after that, you need to click on the camera button. It also asks for a set of permissions which you need to give to the app. Don't forget to switch on the Bluetooth of the device at this point. Now let's try and find. Yeah, so I have the SE here. Let me on it. I have to do a long press. Yeah, and then you see the blink here. Yeah, it's trying to connect. So like you can see, you get an allow access. So let's authorize it while using the app. Okay, so now you can see it's set up. So it says attach mobile device to gimbal properly, learn how to use Osmo Mobile SE in a few easy steps. That's it for the video guys. Now you know how to install the app and how to connect your DJI. Once you connect it, the app would give you certain instructions to follow to get your hands easy on using the gimbal.